Take a ride in the 2014 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, overhead console, trip odometer. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.